Okay.
So the generator
Yes.
is also a start to start the engine. It's a high voltage start. Uh, and the motor control is control the rotational speed,
Yeah.
and direction, and power torque is controlled by this.
So that's the reason why I I was wondering whether it was time for me to ask. Okay, so that's the reason why I was saying we have not really gone deeper into this. Because now I saw rotational speed. I didn't. Okay, so I think my question is going to be
Yes,
acceleration.
you have a question about what is controlled. Yeah.
Acceleration, actually. I just don't think whether it's time for me to ask yet. So, what create the acceleration? Now, you mentioned something to me that the speed of the motors. Recently, we have motors for, of course, in those days we used to have the ICE motors, the ICE combustion engines, right?
Uh-huh.
And you see the speed is not as high
Uh-huh.
as the recent EV motors. The drive speed is higher.
It's higher.
So
The max speed can one ten thousand over 10,000 RPM,
yes,
10,000 RPM, and the engine, the max RPM is 800 8,000 RPM. So the motor is
faster.
faster. It's faster.
So that how does it handle what is responsible for the, in a way, gearbox?
Gear, gear, uh,
I mean the acceleration. How does it do this? Let's say I want to move and I'm moving at say 100 kilometer per hour. I come back to like 60 kilometer per hour. What's responsible for that speed variation? Yes, because right now I'm driving this car. It starts from 0 kilometer per hour. It starts moving. Then it goes to maybe 120. I'm driving. Then of course I see traffic. I slow down. I use a brake. Then I also accelerate again. Which component handles that? See the inverter? 'Cause right now from here I could see the rotational speed.
我知道他意思了，然后说怎么谁去控制这个电机的转速？那个，比如说，就是我现在开到120了，前面突然要刹车了，冲掉了，然后减速，然后又要重新加速，谁去控制这个电机的转速？
I'm seeing rotational speed. I see rotational direction in my mind. Is that for reverse and
First,
Swing power torque?
when you take a brake,
Yes.
the motor don't work, and when you take the acceleration, the uh, inside this, the key component is the key component is a 6-switch IGBT. 6 IGBT. The IGBT turns the DC to AC, and the switch open and close the frequency 频率是 frequency
Yes, yes.
frequency the frequency can influence the speed. You know that. So the speed is controlled by the switch frequency.
所以这个是在这个inverter 里面，
在 inverter 里面
is inside the inverter。
inside inverter. The switch close and open to turn the DC to AC, and the open and close frequency. The frequency is big, the speed is fast.
So let's say it's doing. It
Yes.
could be slow. Let's say
Yes,
it's faster.
It's faster, and when it is slow, it's
Slower.
it's slower, and it's controlled by the motor control. Here to PWM to control it. You see.
The
When
positive.
this half is close. When is for example, 5 volt, 0 volt. When is 5 is close. When is 0
It's
is
open.
open. And so when the frequency is big, the motor speed faster.
Oh, that's why it's PWM, the pulse width modulation. That's PWM.
So this controls the speed. This controls the speed.
But inside the inverter, inside that drive, inside the inverter.
Inside the inverter. Inside the inverter. And this is a low voltage signal from the module
Okay.
to control the motor speed.
PWM 是
就是占空底信号，就是一个方波了，就是一个方波，就是高电频、低电频、高电频、低电频。那这个占空底的话，这个频率越大越高的话，就闭合的时间越长，这个频率越快的话，它的速度就越快。
然后这电力关系是不是连到那个整治控制上面？
没有，整值控制器是给它信号，整值控制器就是采集制动信号和加速踏板的深度啊。它根据加速踏板的深度，整值控制器告诉电机控制器加速踏板的深度，电机控制器再来控制这个电机的转速，再通过频率的控制来控制它的转速。
Of course, the inverter itself is another different. It's another different a class on its own.
Okay.
Abi? So I'm thinking there's a lot to learn about the inverter itself. So I will just let that be.
So you want to be specific in a lesson about the inverter?
Yeah, because now I really want to see. I am. So now I'm curious, out of curiosity. So this is the motor that creates the pull. It's the energy that pulls the car. It's the motor. But it's controlled from here. Now, this is P what?
PWM.
This is pulse width modulation. That is for what happens here. So now it's oscillating. It's an oscillation. It happens in all kind of it's only on DC we don't find oscillation. The question is, all that is happening here, no matter what it is, the output might be changing, say, at certain speed. Maybe this is 5 volts. I'm thinking 5 volts might be maybe 20 kilometer per hour. Then maybe when you get to 60 volts, it becomes maybe 100. Just thinking. So whatever happens here, there is a result on the motors. So that's the part I want to really maybe get a bit of an understanding. How is the activity here increasing the speed or reducing the speed at which it pulls the car?
This is for DC motor.
Oh, that's right.
This is AC motor,
Yes,
and
right.
the well, I show you something.
That's frequency.
It's like this. The motor. Here is the stator. 钉子是 stator. Here is the stator. And if give the stator AC power, the stator will 旋转是吗 rotate. And the AC frequency is higher, is bigger. The frequency is bigger, and the stator rotation speed is fast. It's fast. So the stator rotation speed is fast, and the here is 转子是 rotator is faster. It rotor the rotor is faster.
This is connected to the drive.
The drive, yes.
This is a coil.
Yes. Three-phase copper. U, V, W, or A, B, C, three-phase. And connected with this. And here in three-phase, and the frequency higher, stator rotates faster.
并不是电压越大，转速越快，是它的频率越快，变换频率越快，所以它就会速度越快。
You know, at some level, I just want to have like an open understanding. So I'm going to open my mind to it.
Okay.
I'm sure as we learn, and we connect it. So now I understand the basics. It is the signals, kind of like you said, the frequency that is set.
That's true.
It increases or decreases. Another thing you probably want to ask, what is the range of frequency? In terms of numbers, what is the possible range of frequency?
Range，check，我查一下啊。